this lecture, we're going to put in our subheadings for each of our category lists. So first we're going to put materials here, then quantity, costs, and total. Now obviously these aren't formatted yet. The first thing we're going to do is expand this row a little bit just by clicking on the line and dragging. And then we're going to highlight this and drag across, so we highlight all four of them, and then we can go ahead and format these. So first I'm going to center all of them. I'm going to make them bold, and I'm going to increase the font size a bit, and then I'm going to add a nice lighter color to those for a little bit of subtle contrast. And if I click off of that, you can see what we've got there. And now I can start putting in all of the details. So the first thing we have is cabinet handles, and we're going to have to make a little extra room over here so I can fit all of it in here. And then I'll go ahead and fill these out really quickly. Okay, so I've filled out all of the units in the materials list. Now notice that they're not in alphabetical order. One of the many awesome things about Excel is that I can highlight this entire list, go up here and say sort and filter, and sort A to Z. Now it's telling me that there's data in the next section, but we don't want to do that, so we just want to continue with the current selection and click sort, and you notice that it's now in perfect alphabetical order. And we don't really have to do a lot more formatting on that, but I'll show you just a couple of options that you would have. Is you could center that, and that will center everything. Or if you wanted to indent it a little bit, you can indent everything just to give it some space, but I don't, so I'm going to send that back. You can quickly and easily increase the text size by pushing that big A, or you can decrease the text size. So we'll go with 12. Or you can always do the text size here. You can change the font if you want. You can underline. Basically everything that's in Word are also here. But ours looks pretty good, so we're going to move on to entering our quantity, cost, and total. And we'll get right to that in the next lecture.